Alumen, Allen's keynotes, adapted to old people, especially with bronchial catarrh. The patient is very sensitive to cold, exposure to air, roughens and chaps the skin. Teeth loose, gums swollen, inflamed, spongy. Profuse hemorrhage after extraction of tooth. Uvula elongated, relaxed. Prolapse of iris after cataract operation. Spasm of esophagus, liquids can scarcely be swallowed. Constipation of the most aggravated kind. Stool as hard as stones, no desire for stool for days. After urinating, bladder often remains half full. Slight scratches bleed. Lying on right side brings on palpitation. Vagina very sensitive and narrowed by swellings of various size. Chronic gonorrhea, discharge yellow with little lumps along urethra. Scrotal eczema and on back of penis. Enlarged and indurated tonsils. Ulcers with indurated base. Alumen, Boric materia medica, common potash alum. The clinical application of this remedy points to its bowel symptoms both in obstinate constipation and in hemorrhage from bowels in the course of typhoid, one phase of the paralytic weakness of the muscles in all parts of the body. Tendency to induration is also marked. A low form of tissue making is favored. Hardening of tissues of tongue, rectum, uterus, etc. Ulcers with indurated base. Adapted to old people, especially bronchial catarrh. Sensation of dryness and constriction. Mental paresis, dysphagia, especially to liquids. Tendency to induration, serous of the tongue. Head, burning pain as of weight on top of head, better by pressure of the hand. Vertigo with weakness in pit of stomach. Alopecia. Throat relaxed, mucous membrane red and swollen, cough, tickling in throat, tendency to throat colds, enlarged and indurated tonsils, burning pain down the esophagus, complete aphonia, every cold settles in throat, constriction of esophagus. Heart, palpitation from lying down on right side. I repeat, palpitation from lying down on right side. Rectum, constipation of the most aggravated kind, no desire for stool for days, violent ineffectual urging to stool, no ability to expel stool, marble like masses pass, but rectum still feels full. Itching after stool, itching in anus, long lasting pain and smarting in rectum after stool, also hemorrhoids, yellow like an infant's, hemorrhage from bowels. Female, tendency to induration of neck of uterus and mammary glands. Chronic yellow vaginal discharge, chronic gonorrhea, yellow with little lumps along urethra, aphthous patches in vagina, menses watery. Respiratory, hemoptysis, great weakness of chest, difficult to expel mucus, copious ropey morning expectoration in old people, asthma. Skin, ulcers with indurated base, to be thought of in indurated glands, epithelioma, etc. Veins become varicose and bleed. Indurations resulting from long continued inflammatory irritations, glands inflame and harden, alopecia, scrotal eczema and on back of penis. Extremities, weakness of all muscles, especially arms and legs, constricted feeling around limbs. Modalities worse, cold except headache, which is relieved by cold. I repeat, modality is worse from cold except headache, which is relieved by cold. Dose, first to 30th potency. The very highest potencies have proved efficacious. Powdered alum, 10 grains placed on tongue, said to arrest an attack of asthma.